What's up guys? Today I'm here at it again with a new unboxing of a long-awaited speaker, which I've been hinting in every one of my videos. So hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and let's get started. So today I got with me the Onyx Studio 7. I've had this speaker for a while, and I'm just gonna unbox it and review the whole thing, just specs and everything you guys need to know about it. And yeah, so let's get started. So the speaker should retail for around $150 on Amazon right now. I don't know about Black Friday, I haven't checked yet. So it's the successor to the Onyx Studio 6, which was a portable speaker, kind of, because it had an IP rating, it had a handle, which it was built in a different way, which didn't get scratched up. But this one, totally different speaker. If you get this speaker, you have the intention to keep it on a shelf at your house, and that's the best use for this if you don't want to ruin it. So the differences are that this, they call it stereo. I don't think it's stereo because it's two tweeters and not two woofers, but we got two tweeters, a woofer, and two passive radiators. We got a 120mm woofer that's like a subwoofer with, I think, down to 30 hertz, which is amazing. Two 25mm tweeters and two passive radiators, one pointing upwards and one pointing in the back towards the wall. So Bluetooth 4.2, 8 hours of battery life, which is playing at 40% volume. It's 3250 milliamp hours, and you compare this with another Onyx Studio 7 to get a stereo sound, which I'll hopefully try that one day. I don't know about if you compare with the Studio 8, I haven't checked on that, but I know you can do it with a Studio 7. So let's get started. This speaker, it does not have an app. It's not like the Soundcore Motion Boom, which I previously reviewed. But let's say that with a speaker like this, you shouldn't have this kind of problem, since it's already tuned from the factory and it sounds amazing. This is what I can tell you guys for now. So this is the speaker. Let me just pull that out. There's nothing else in the box beside the speaker. And then when the top part right here, you get your usual books, start and the quick start guide. And in here you get the power cable, but I didn't want to put it back in for the unboxing. Let me just get it for you guys. It's this one right here. It's not USB type C, it's just a normal cable. So I've seen people ask on Reddit, does the battery get bad if you keep it plugged in? No, I believe that's not the case, just because it is made to stay on a shelf. It does not have good battery life, and it's got a good charger, a good power brick. This is a speaker. Let me tell you guys right now, I love this finish. This fabric is not like a JBL fabric. It's very compact and it feels really good. This I think it's a stainless steel handle, which very fragile. It just gets scratched up everywhere. I've got multiple scratches. And then we got rubber feet, a big one over here, and a small tiny one to hold the whole sphere. In the back, we have charging port in the middle, USB type C, which you cannot use, it's for service. I still don't get why that's a thing. And the auxiliary port, 3.5mm jack. This speaker, I've tried it with the 3.5. There's a slight difference. It sounds better, but it's not that much of a difference that you would say let's use it every time. And yeah, so the dimensions of the speaker are, I believe, 37 centimeters tall, 29 long, and 17 wide. I'll show you guys compared to the Soundcore Motion Boom. So yeah, here's the Soundcore. This is the size difference. I mean, the difference is not that big, but this weighs more than double the Soundcore. This weighs around 3.3 kilos, I think around 7 pounds, and the Soundcore goes for 1.5 kilos. The speaker, I'm going to be doing a sound test later on in the video. It sounds amazing, and now I'll show you guys what the pairing process is. So, to pair the speaker up, you press this center button, the power button. You press it, there will be a light turning on, and you'll hear your chime with bass. Yep. After that, you press the Bluetooth button. You press it, and it just starts flashing and doing this sound. After that, it just connects to your phone. That's the sound. You guys heard that again. And that's it. I would complain a little bit for the Bluetooth 4.2. It's a little bit old. Sometimes it just stutters with connecting with already paired devices, and it gets annoying sometimes. But it shouldn't be that big of a problem that you would say no, don't get this speaker. This speaker is amazing. Don't think of that. Let's get on with the sound test and the media controls. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this speaker is 50 watts out of the box with the AC plugged in. So when it's plugged into the power outlet, 50 watts and 40 watts running on battery. The only slight difference is, I think, 1 or 2 decibels louder with the AC and a little bit deeper, richer bass. And I know people would say, oh yeah, but the old Onyx Studio 6, that's 60 watts. Don't think about that too much, because this sounds better than the Studio 6. It's more open, it's better, it's clear sound, it's neutral sound. This sounds clear, and it just reproduces how the song comes out. It just sounds amazing. But here goes the sound test. Please wear headphones. Okay, here's the sound test. I changed mic so you guys can hear better. And we're gonna be going with the usual first song, Jungle. It's gonna be at 73% volume. Oh my. 73%. And this is without AC. As you guys can see, now it's with the AC power connected. Same song from the beginning, and 73% again. Here we go.
What I need to know, so take my hand
now we're going to the second song. Always the same, Way Back. Still shout out to Ross. And then 70% volume. No power connected battery. Now we're with the AC song from the beginning, still 73%. Here we go. And so the sound test is finished, and I want to show you guys how the media controls work. So let me just put it like this for 1 second. So as you guys can see, the buttons are right there. Probably not going to be able to see them well, but we have play and pause. This is the multimedia button to the right. Press it once to pause and pause tracks. You couldn't hear that, but see, okay. Press it twice to go forward the song. Press it 3 times to go back. For some reason it's not doing it, but that's how you do it. And then we got volume up. That actually, I'll show you guys. Volume up. It goes up. And the volume down goes down. And then we have the Bluetooth button, which you use for pairing, and if you hold it, you can pair it with another Onyx Studio 7 in stereo mode. Yep, so this was the video for today, and yeah, so my recap of what I think about this speaker. You want to get it for, I don't know, probably like medium-sized room would fill it up. And one thing about the speaker is, if you're in a room, the further you are, the more bass you're gonna hear, just because of how the passive radiators are mounted, and it's just gonna bounce off, and it's gonna be filling rooms really well, no problem. The bass is the deepest probably in Bluetooth speakers terms of frequencies. It goes down to, I think, around 30-35 Hertz, which that is unknown of in Bluetooth speakers. And the sound, I'm not complaining about having an amp after all, because Harman & Kardon makes a great EQ out of the box. So I'm not complaining. Sounds amazing. Deep bass. Probably lacking just a little bit in the mids, but you won't need it. It just sounds amazing. And the highs are very clear. You got 2 tweeters, no problem. And the only difference you're gonna have with the AC is the 10 watts, which sounds a huge difference, but you're only getting around 1 or 2 decibels louder. and just a little bit deeper bass. That's basically it. Yeah, so this speaker for me is amazing. I paid it $200, but you can get it for $149 right now. It's an amazing speaker. If you guys want to fill up your rooms and everything, just keep it here. It's not for outside because it doesn't have an IP rating or anything. So, and it's fragile. I got scratches already on the steel. So, yeah, this is what I thought about this speaker. Amazing speaker. If you guys were doubting about it, you should go get it. And yeah, keep in mind, try and keep this against the wall like I was doing right now, or in a corner like over there. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you have any suggestions for songs, speakers. I'm getting a U-Boom L, I already told you guys this, and I might be getting another little speaker like a Tri-Bit or a Soundcore around the $40 range. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace out.